student, today my topic is acid-base equilibrium and dissociation or ionization of acids and bases. When acids or bases dissolve in water, it dissociates into ion and undissociated molecule. Again I repeat, it dissociates into ions and undissociated molecules. Exists an equilibrium called acid-base equilibrium. When a strong acid and a strong bases dissociates almost completely in solution and its molar concentration of H ion and OH ion in their solution is almost same to the acid and the base taken. When weak acid and weak base are not completely dissociated in solution and the concentration of H ion and OH ion in the solution is less than that the acid and base be taken. Here the H ion and OH ion are completely dissociated. Here somewhat H ion and OH ion is dissociated because the acid and base is weak. Here acid and base is strong. So in this way HCl is a strong acid, so it dissociated into hydronium and chlorine ion. Acetate is a weak acid, so it dissociated into hydronium ion and acetate. HCN when mixed with water or dissociate in water, then it forms hydronium ion and cyanide ion. Next is dissociation constant of an acid. The dissociation of a weak acid, that is HA, A for acid in water, can be HA plus water form hydronium ion and A plus. According to law of equilibrium, the product is as a numerator and reactant is as a denominator. So we take numerator as a product and denominator as a reactant. Here water is in excess, so we take water as constant. So water become 1. When value of water become 1, then the net reaction or net equation is hydronium ion A minus upon HA. Here Ka is dissociation or ionization constant of acid. Ka is for acid. Now strength of acid, larger the value of ionization constant, that is Ka, the greater is the strength of acid. Ka decided the strength of acid. Now calculation of hydronium and degree of dissociation. Here hydronium or H ion concentration of weak acid calculated by ionization constant, that is Ka. Suppose the initial means starting concentration of weak and Ha is C and alpha is the degree of dissociation. So Ha when react with water, it form hydronium ion and A ion. Here initial concentration is C, where the product is not formed, that is why it is 0. When the once reaction is started, so at the equilibrium means both the reactant and product become equal. The concentration of this reactant is C 1 minus A and here the product is Ca C alpha sorry. So at equilibrium Ha is 1 minus C alpha, sorry it is not A, it is alpha. C is 1 minus alpha and hydronium ion C alpha and A ion is a C alpha also. So according to law of equilibrium, product is at the numerator and reactant at the denominator. In the case of water we take 1 as a constant. So when we put the value at the concentration of at equilibrium in this equation, then we have C alpha C1 minus alpha. If we evaluate this thing, then we get C alpha square and 1 minus alpha. For the weak acid, alpha is very small, so 1 minus alpha can be taken as approximately 1. So now the equation is Ka is equal to C alpha square. When we take C here as a denominator and square as a root, then the equation become alpha is equal to root over Ka upon C. Now hydronium ion is C alpha, which is equal to C root over K upon C. So if we evaluate both the C, then we get root over KaC. Now come to this dissociation constant of base. The dissociation of weak base B in water can be represented like this. base taken the H ion because its characteristic, the characteristic of base is to take the H ion with it and release OH ion. So here the reaction is BH plus and OH minus. So according to law of equilibrium, we take product as a numerator and reactant as the denominator. Again water is in axis, so this is constant and the value of water is 1. So now the equation become BH plus OH minus upon B. So here Kb is the dissociation constant of base. Now come to strength of base. Higher the value of Kb, greater the strength of base. Now ionization of water. Water is a weak electrolyte. Weak electrolyte means it dissociates into weak ions and does not ionize much in pure state. And according to conductivity measurement, pure water contain a few hydronium ion and OH ion and undergo self-ionization. That is, when water react with water, it form hydronium ion and OH ion. According to law of equilibrium, the product is taken as a numerator and reactant is taken as a denominator. Here both the molecule is water, so we take square here. So now this goes to with the K, then this is equal to hydronium ion and OH ion, that is hydroxyl ion. Now when this become constant and taken as a Kw, then it is the equal to K water molecule. So now we take here Kw, that is ionic product of water. Kw is what? Ionic product of water. W for water. The value of water ionic product is 1.008 into 10 to the power minus 14 mole square per liter square at 298 Kelvin. So now this value is equal to 1.008 into 10 to the power minus 14, which is the value of water. Now hydronium ion is equal to OH ion, which is equal to root over 1.008 into 10 to the power minus 14. Now if we remove the root, then this 14 becomes 7. So the ionization and Kw increases with increase in temperature, and this increase does not affect the concentration of hydronium or OH ion. So at all the temperature, hydronium ion is equal to hydroxyl ion and hydroxyl ion is equal to root over Kw, that is ionic product of water. Now come to concentration of H3O plus, that is hydronium ion and hydroxyl ion in the aqueous solution of acid and base. Since we know that the concentration of hydronium and OH are equal in pure water at all temperature, in addition of acid and base to pure water changes the concentration of hydronium ion and OH ion. But value of Kw, that is ionic product of water, remains unchanged as long as the temperature remain unchanged. Suppose an HCl is acid added to a pure water, and as HCl is a strong acid, it ionizes completely in water. So it increases the concentration of hydronium ion which oppose the system, and consequently the equilibrium shift in the reverse direction, that is hydronium ion combined with the OH to form an undissociated water molecule till the value of Kw attains the same value. Thus the addition of acid decreases the OH ion because it increases hydronium ion, so it decreases OH ion. So according to relation, OH is equal to Kw upon hydronium ion. Similarly, when base such as NaOH is added to a pure water, in this case concentration of OH increases because base accept one proton and release OH. So OH ions get increases and concentration of hydronium get decreases. Due to this equilibrium shift left to right, but the relation is hydronium ion is equal to Kw upon hydroxyl ion. So it may be concluded that hydronium ion and hydroxyl ion always form water or aqueous solution, no matter whether the solution is neutral, acidic, alkaline, but their relative concentration are different from different solution because equilibrium stabilize both the sides. So now my question is, what is acid-base equilibrium and dissociation of acid and base? Thank you.